What we're doing today is changing out the light switch on a 1990 Chevrolet pickup. That one right there. We're going to take the dash out of this. The reason we're changing this is you'll be going down the road and all of a sudden your headlights will go off for a little bit, and I think the switch is overheating. It cools off and the lights come back on for a few minutes and then they go off for a few minutes. So I believe it's the light switch. So we're going to change it out real quick and see if that fixes it. You just have to take these torque screws out on all the corners. It's kind of hard doing one-handed. This is what we're changing out right here. Lower the steering wheel down as low as it'll go. And this thing just forgot you have to bring your gear shift all the way down to low to make room for this. And it comes up like that. Unhook that connector right there. Disconnect the one for your dimmer. It's got a little keeper right back there you got to get off. Okay. Take a screwdriver and put in there and pop that up. And then that thing will slide right out of there. Like that. And there's the switch on the back of it. The only problem with this one is it broke many years ago. And as you can see, it's being held in with JB Weld and any other thing that's sticky. So I've got to get all of that off so I can get this clip off around the end and replace the switch. So I'll get started on that. Okay, here's the new switch. Part number, GM. And here's the new bracket. Goes around the edge. And that's part number right there. All right, now we just got to get all that off and get that out of there. So let's see if we can get this off. Thank goodness that stuff doesn't hold real well. All right. got to do here is push that tab, push that tab, push that switch through just like that. Get the new one, slide it in. So it goes in and clicks. Now we got to put it back. And this time we're going to try to see if we can figure out a way to make these screws hold. Oh, they're stripped, but I bet there's a way I can make them hold. No more JB Weld. So we got to figure that out. I'll figure something out. Even if I have to go with oversized screws. Looks like all these broken tabs that hold these screws, they seem to be holding. This is going to be an easier job than I thought. I figured sure enough those tabs would break back out of there, but oh, and that one's stripped. That one's, we're gonna have to get a bigger screw there. That's all right. But I've got one. Let's see if this one will go in there. Looks like it went. See how this works. Looks pretty good. Well, let's go put it back in the truck and see how it works. Well, let's put this back in. See if we got lucky. Just line these outer holes up with these guide pins. Slide it in till it clicks. Line that one up. Slide it in till it clicks. Then we just have to wiggle it back in there. Just like that. that. It's back in. Let's see how well it worked. And headlights. So it's working. Now I just got to test it and see if they stay on.